Okay, so here we have the new JBL Live 650 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. This is here the unboxing video, so check out what's going on here. So we see here nice package again as usual, and then here the features. Right, Google Assist, Alexa support, active noise cancellation, hands-free calling, multi-point connection, comfort, fit, fabric headband, and detachable audio cable. So yeah, let's open this thing up. Let's have a look. How does it look like? So first of all, it comes here with the charging cable, USB to micro USB. And then here, as we said before, the audio cable here. It's a nice fabric cable with a microphone and remote control here in the cable. Okay, and so what else do we have in here? So here underneath everything we have here this nice pouch here, this fabric pouch. You can store the headphones in and travel with it. It's nice and soft inside and quite rugged outside. And then let's have a look here at the paperwork. We got some information here about Alexa and Google, and then here the quick start guide. And look at this. This is one massive quick start guide. This is pretty big. A lot of information about these headphones, so you can do a lot of things with these. So if you want to check out this instructions manual, then maybe pause the video for a second so you can read it. And here the second page, the other side, continued. You would also get like a nice chart here on the right. You can see here the different status LEDs or the blinking patterns, what that means. Okay, so now let's keep going. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves. Okay, you see here the new design. Nice and shiny. Here the buttons all on the right side. So you see power on off, plus minus. There's the connector for the audio cable, Bluetooth pairing, and then noise cancelling, turning it on and off. And then here on the left side, on the left earpiece, there's no other buttons. We just have here the connector to charge these headphones, and then also the charging LED maybe. Then here you can see here on the headband says ANC for active noise cancellation and live. And then here JBL with the logo on top. Here this fabric headband, nice and sturdy, feels good. And then here of course we can extend here the earpieces, pull them out, rotate for easy storage. Yeah, and then here the inside of the earpieces you can see this left and right, and then the fabric of these over-ear headphones, or the cushions, synthetic leather, nice and soft. Okay, yeah, so this is the unboxing video of the JBL 650 BTNC. And then if you have any questions or comments, then please leave a message below. And don't forget to check out the other videos about these headphones.